gals, it's me, Karen, and I am back with a new video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below, because I love comments. Comments make my day, and it just lets me know how I'm doing. So this mess that you guys see behind me, I'm gonna clean it up. I don't know how I let it get so messy, but I keep accumulating like all these clothes, and I just have nowhere to put them. So I took a trip down to Burlington, and I've been looking endlessly for something that I can hide my clothes in. That way it won't be all over the place. Keep my husband happy, because he has OCD. I don't have OCD, he got OCD, but I know dealing with my mess is a lot for him, and for him to like not really be on my you know what about it, he loves me. So let's get started cleaning up this mess. All right, let's go. So this is the chest that I got from Burlington. It's huge, it's nice and big. It goes with the decor of my room. So the tag is here. I paid $30. You can see I paid $29.99, $30. It says it's made from Vietnam. It's hand woven, and I don't know, I just thought it would go with the decor of the room. I'm probably gonna stick that there, find some places for these boxes to go, but basically let's get started. Start over here with this box. You already guys, you see my Zara haul maybe like a week or two ago. I still had those things in this box. So we're going to see what I have in here. I'm going to give away some things. This little bag here is things I'm going to give away. And let's see how much I can consolidate. what I have done so far. I have everything neatly placed in this box here. And then I put that back. I cleaned off the desk. There's my camera that I never use. Somebody teach me how to use it. I vacuumed. I dusted here. I cleaned up everything that was over here off. Got my little teddies. I love little, if you can't tell, I love little teddy animals. And I love Hello Kitty. There's her again. I haven't cleaned off this yet. These are my grandbaby's toys. Then I still have to go in there, clean that closet. I have clothes to wash. I have to hang these things up. Those need to be folded. And then I have to figure out what to do with these items. And I still have that big box of Zara stuff. These are some of the things from my boutique here that I need to take to the boutique and display. That's just the bag. I had bought some stuff from the thrift store yesterday, and it's gonna be a part of my hat collection. Those are my Dollar Tree finds that I still have not done a video for. This is the stuff that's going away, and all that big pile over there that has to be put up on Poshmark. I'm gonna try to put a few things up there today, and of course I'm probably just gonna throw those Fendi boxes, because I have some boots, there's some shoes, there's some bags that's still in boxes that I have not worn yet. I just have so much stuff, guys. Like, there's a lot. And then I bought a new rack, and then there's my old rack. It's kind of raggedy. I got it from Five Below, so it's not all that trusty, but I bought this new one that cost $25, so I figured it'd be a little better. And then look at my this dress that's from Zimmerman, guys. Oh my god, I was going to wear this for Valentine's Day. I saved it for this year, and I'm doing absolutely nothing. By the way, this is Valentine's Day today, and I'm doing absolutely nothing but in my room cleaning up, which I have to do. All right, so this is my progress so far. So not bad, not bad. And I still gotta take care of all this. All right, I found this. You know, I'm always finding stuff in my travels. Cleaned up my room. I have like this waist trainer thing. Like, I never wore a waist trainer before. One of my clients had gave this to me, and child, I tried it on. I'm like, how do y'all wear these things? Like, this hurts. But I'm gonna wear it while I'm cleaning up and see if it make my stomach go down. Okay. All right. I mean, I look snatched though. All right, bye, y'all. So, dolls, I'm finally finished my room. And I know y'all been waiting, because I told y'all that I was going to finish, and I finally did. So now I'm ready for the reveal. And over here, so inside of the room, this is my mirror. I don't want to show myself because, girl, I'm ugly. It's my mirror right here. Dress. This is a beautiful lamp that I got a long time ago from West Elm. I love that lamp. I can't let it go. And this is just a piece that I got from Burlington, and the little feathers is coming out. There's my hat I got from Disney. These are a couple of my shoes, sneaks, boots. Those are my Bottegas. That box back there is Gucci. Here are all my fedoras, but not every last one, just a little. My frame, my pictures that I need to put up that I keep forgetting about. And this is my little dresser. I got that from Home Goods. I store all my makeup and my vacation items in there. Here's my handbag collection. Of course, this is not all, but just a few. This is what I display, and I barely wear this stuff, child. And these are all my shoes. Mostly all these shoes here, guys, are thrifted. Mostly, not all of them. There's bags and shoes and that I never wear, child. But whatever, that's my shoes. And over here is just the window sill, things that I store. My Michelle Obama book that I have not read yet. A few things from Fendi that I've never opened or wore yet, like, oh my God. And then remember, this is the box that I got from Burlington that I store all my clothing in. Let's open it up and see how it looks. And that's what's in there. So we make that all nice and neater. These are just some boxes that I store some stuff in, decorative that I had, of course, I got from thrift store. Here's my desk. This is where I write out bills, playing my reels, my TikToks, whatever. And down here is where I store paperwork. There's a basket full of change. This little lantern I got from Burlington on sale for like $3. Here's my cute little Hello Kitty girl. That's what I bought myself for Valentine's Day. And things here I just store. I always keep flowers in my windowsill. As you can see, I love Hello Kitty. And that's just my accessories and hats and headbands. And my granddaughter, she comes and stays every other weekend with me. So I always like to keep toys and things for her, keep her busy to play with. And all my little stuffed animals, as you can see, I love stuffed animals. And so does my baby girl. And over here, I am preparing for my thrift haul. I'm probably gonna record soon. So I just got everything organized, what I'm gonna wear, my outfits. Just haven't got shoes. And yeah, there's my room in a nutshell. So, see you guys and thanks for watching. Bye.